prosperity in September 2023. The China-Pakistan economic corridor can similarly be a force multiplier for regional connectivity. For too long, we have lamented the lack of connectivity between our economies, an impediment to regional trade and investment. The China-Pakistan economic corridor does not only connect Pakistan to its neighbor China. CPEC offers all countries invested in commonality of the future of this region to take the journey further and connect the dots towards full regional economic integration. Excellencies, in a world facing geopolitical flux, dividing the world between us and them, the SCO has emerged as a platform for promoting mutual understanding, security and development through constructive and mutually beneficial cooperation. SCO's increasing influence and relevance is confirmed by its growing appeal. With each passing year, more countries are joining the organization, either as dialogue partners or observers or full members. We congratulate brotherly Iraq, which would soon become the newest member of the SCO family. We welcome the accession of Bahrain, Kuwait, Maldives, Myanmar, and the United Arab Emirates as new dialogue partners, and look forward to welcoming Belarus as a full member in the near future. Excellencies, in a bitterly divided world, humanity faces the greatest challenges we have ever faced. We've survived the COVID pandemic with our economy shaken, people's patience tested, and many questions arising about our readiness to face the next global crisis. The climate crisis poses an existential threat to humanity. Poverty haunts all societies, and no attempts to meet this challenge still have a long way to go. Finally, the situation in Afghanistan threatens to increase the complexity and reach of the challenge terrorism poses to the region and global security. The solution to our collective challenges should be collective action, not a divided reaction. While our problems may seem immense, I believe as a united human race, we have the capacity to not only deal with the challenges, but to learn lessons from our collective good and build in the resilience that will equip us to address future challenges. We must isolate these issues from hyper-partisan geopolitics if we are to succeed. Our excuse cannot be we were too divided to put up a fight. Excellencies, poverty still plagues this region. We can only overcome this challenge through common efforts and by learning from each other's experience. China offers us hope, shows us how it can be done, lifting 800 million people out of poverty in less than 40 years. Pakistan is proud of the internationally acclaimed Wazir income support program, which has ushered in a silent revolution of poverty alleviation together with women's empowerment. Taking consistent strides on poverty eradication has been hampered by COVID and geopolitical conflicts. We need to set our priorities straight, to deliver to our people, to make poverty history. Chest thumping about economic progress rings hollow when the largest number of poor people on the planet dwell within our collective borders. Given our experience in this area, there is a very strong and compelling case for closer cooperation for poverty alleviation under SCO. The establishment of the Special Working Group on Poverty Alleviation proposed by Pakistan will be a step in that direction. Ladies and gentlemen, our planet can only be saved from the ravages of climate change if the international community works in unison. For Pakistan, this is today's problem. We recently faced the greatest climate catastrophe we have ever witnessed. I ask you to imagine what it would mean for your people if a disaster of this scale were to proportionately affect your country. What would 1/3 of India's landmass look like underwater? How would the people of China be tested if 1 in 7 people remained climate refugees overnight? This